So let's start with the new topic, which is decimation. It's another form of FFT, which is decimation in frequency. Okay, decimation in frequency FFT. Okay, we have seen till now one method, which is decimation in time. We'll look at it. We'll look at this second method. Okay, decimation in frequency FFT. What is done is when you say decimation in time, what was happening was the time domain sequence was not maintained in order. We were placing it, clubbing it together into even and odd terms, and then again further separating them into further even and odd terms, and so on, right? So the sequence was not maintained, although on the other side, the frequency domain, the sequence was maintained. If you look at the butterfly structure, what was happening was this input was coming out of order, right? Input was coming out of order and output was coming in order. Okay, output was coming in order because this was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in sequence. So that is a term which is where your decimation is happening in the time domain. You're picking up every end sample and then putting it together into the input. Okay, so the decimation in frequency is a scenario where your input is coming in order. You place the input in order, that is on the time domain side you put it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the output comes out of order. Okay, so this output will be coming out of order. So when you are placing it, it will be similar to how you had the input side in the decimation in time. Okay, yeah, so we'll start with the topic now. So first thing, what we do here is let's write the formula first as it is. X of k, endpoint DFT is summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into wkn of n. Okay, which is for k equal to 0, 1, 2 until 2 till n minus 1. Okay, now what we will do is we'll separate them, this guy, into the even components of DFT, and odd components of DFT, So what will this contain is, this is your x of k, right? So this side will contain a capital X of 0, capital X of 2 and capital X of n minus 2. Okay, this side will contain capital X of 1, 3, 5 till n minus 1. So this is how we separate it. So on this side you will get all the even components. So I can write this as 2r. Let me just separate it as 2r or 2k. So let's say this is 2k. Okay, will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 x of n into w 2kn of n, right? 2kn of n. This is what you will get. So this side, let x of 2k, this bundled together versions, let me put this as equal to g of k. Okay, let me all these values I'll group together and just give it a name that this is g of k, which are the even components of x of 2k. Okay, so this will turn into summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1. I will now, what I will do is the first odd components. Okay, the first n by 2 components are grouped together. So I will write this as n by 2 minus 1. Okay, so let's do this. So I can write this n minus 1 as x of n into w k n of n by 2. Okay, this is another way of writing the same thing. So this in short can be written as summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Okay, which will contain all the first n terms, n by 2 terms, wkn of n by 2, plus the next two terms will be n equal to n by 2 to n minus 1 x of n into wkn of n by 2. This is how you can have it, right? So I'll separate it into the first n by 2 terms and then last n by 2 terms. So now summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into wkn of n by 2 plus this. Now what I am doing here in this case is I am making n minus n by 2 n minus n by 2 as equal to some value m. Okay, so what I will have is summation m equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of m. Okay, x of m, m plus n by 2, right? This instead of n it will be m plus n by 2 into wk. This is m plus n by 2 upon n by 2. This is how you will get it. So this will be equal to, in short, summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into wkn of n by 2 plus summation n, instead of m I will make this equal to n by 2, n now. It does not matter, right? Independent variable. So it will be n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus n by 2 into wkn of n by 2 into w n by 2 of n by 2 of n by 2. Okay, n by 2 of n by 2. So this comes out to be equal to, this n by 2 of n by 2 is 1. This guy here will be equal to 1. So this will be, in short, summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. I will club this together. Okay, so x of n plus x of n plus n by 2 into wkn of n by 2. Okay, this is the first equation that you get. Clear? So let's look at the second one now on this side. So let's look at the second point, second equation on this side of the curve. So this is your even components. Okay, this is the first one you get. Now here your k value, your k, g, this is equal to g of k, where k values are k equal to 0, 2, 4 till n minus 2. Okay, this is your k values which you are getting. Okay, now so here although this is like I'll just one mistake, these k values are actually 0, 1, 2 till n by 2 minus 1. Why? But this k values, when you put it here, right, you are getting actually x of 2, x of 4, x, you are getting components of x of 0, x of 4, 2, x of 4 till x of n minus 2. Okay, this is what you are getting actually. Clear? So now the odd components you have x of 2k plus 1 will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w 2k plus 1 into n upon n. Okay, so this comes to be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w 2k n of n into w n of n. This is what you get here. Okay, so this becomes equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w n of n. Okay, w n of n into wkn of n by 2. This is what you get. So now I will separate this as first n terms and again first n by 2 terms and second n by 2 terms. So similarly n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into wn of n into wkn of n by 2 plus summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 n by 2 till n minus 1 n equal to n by 2 till n minus 1. You get x of n into let me just separate this here, let me increase the size. This comes to be x of n into w n of n into w k n of n by 2. Okay, so this is where n equal to n by 2 plus. Yeah, so now again the same funda, m minus n by 2 is equal to m. So once I put it here, summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into w n of n into w k n of n by 2 plus summation m equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. This comes to be like x of m plus n by 2, okay, into this value will be equal to w of m plus n by 2 upon n into w k m plus n by 2 upon n by 2, right? This is n by 2. Yeah, so what you will get here is summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into w n of n into w k n of n by 2 plus summation, I'll change it back to n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus n by 2 into w n of n into w n by 2 of n into w k n of n by 2 into w n by 2 of n by 2. So this terms equals to 1, this becomes equal to minus 1. So in short what you will get is summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n minus x of n plus n by 2, this is the minus 1 which is comes here, so into w n of n into w k n of n by 2. So these are the two values you get. So this let's x of 2k plus 1, let me make it equal to, let's say g h of k or I of k. Let's say this is I of k. This is a new this I of k is a function which is made up of all the odd components of x of 2k. So I of k will contain g of 1, x of 1, x of 1, x of 3 and so on, x of n minus 1, something like that. Okay, so this is what it is. So what you have is I started off with like with a n point DFT. Now I have to calculate 2 n by 2 point DFT. So this if you see is a n by 2 point DFT. This again is a n by 2 point DFT. Clear? So these two n by 2 point DFTs. Let's see. Let's draw a butterfly structure right now, and let's see. So you had let's say n points. So let's start again with like our thing, which is n equal to 8. So what you are doing here is, let's draw this. So this is what you had. what you have done here is you started off with x of 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, you had this 8 points. So what I am doing now is, if you look at it, I am giving it to a n by 2 point DFT here. So n by 2 point DFT is, let's say, this guy here. So these are the 4 points, right? So let me just say that this is your n by 2 point DFT. This is my second n by 2 point DFT. One second. This is the second n by 2 point DFT. So what I have to do now is, the inputs to this n by 2 point DFT comes as, if you look at it, the input to this n by 2 point DFT is actually x of n. So input to this guy is x of n, which is coming from here, okay, plus x of n by 2, n plus n by 2, n plus n by 2 will x of 0, plus this will be x of 0 plus x of 4, right? This will be equal to a new sequence. This will be equal to a new sequence. So this is what I am doing here is, I am getting this, putting it here, okay. So this is my new sequence going to be. So let's say this particular value here is x of 0 plus x of 4. So same way, what you have to do is, if you look at it, this side is actually calculating your all the even sequences of your x of k. So this will be here, this guy. So these guys will be like, you will be getting x of n plus n by 2. So let me just make it like, let's say I will create another g of n, which is x of n plus x of n plus n by 2. This is a new sequence, okay. G of n is made up of n by 2 points. So this is a new sequence, which is, this input will be your g of n, okay. So this is x of 0 plus, so this input here will be g of n, which is given to a n by 2 point DFT, and you get this 4 points output coming out of it. Same way on the other side, I'll create another sequence, which is I of n, which is x of n minus x of n plus n by 2, okay, into Wn of n. So this guy here will be on the other side. So this guy here will be on the other side, which will be like, so this one, this one here, and this one, okay. So now if you see this guy here is, I'm multiplying this one here, it's coming this side. So this here is multiplied with W0 of n here is 0 till 8, right? W0 of 8, this is W0 of 8, this is multiplied with W1 of 8, this is multiplied with W2 of 8, and this is multiplied with W3 of 8, which is your this term Wn of n, okay. So n is capital N here, in this case is 8, right? N is 8. So this is given here, and this becomes equal to your I of n. These values here becomes equal to I of n, which is given to this n by 2 point DFT. Okay, so now what we have done is we have separated n point DFT into two n by 2 point DFTs. The multiplications here are only 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 multiplications are involved here. And then what you see here is this stage involves n by 2 multiplications, complex multiplications here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 for a 8 point DFT. Now what you know is this is g of n, this is I of n, right? So the output which is coming out here is g of k, right? This guy which is coming out is g of k, and this guy here which is coming out is I of k. So what I will do now is this n by 2 point DFT, I will further write it as a butterfly structure. So g of k is now further divided into g of 2k plus 1, okay, which further divided into 2k plus 1, and this guy, sorry, 2k, g of 2k, and g of 2k plus 1, g of 2k plus 1. Let me just have this as, let's say, v1 of k, and this is v2 of k, okay, this is v2 of k. So these are your new sequences. So I can write v1 of k as equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 now, right? Because this is a n by 2 point DFT, so this will have to be further changed into n by 4 minus 1 g of n plus g of n plus n by 4 into wkn of n by 4. Okay, so this is how v1 of k will be, and v2 of k will be further divided into summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 g of n minus g of n plus n by 4, okay, into wn of n by 2 into wkn of n by 4. So this is how this arrangement will be done. Same thing will be followed for I of k. I of k will be further split up into, let's say, w1 of k and w2 of k. So they will be exactly similar. w1 of k will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1. This will be I of n plus I of n plus n by 4 into wkn of n by 4, and w2 of k will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1, which is I of n plus minus I of n plus n by 4 into wn of n by 4 into wkn of n by, this will be kn of n by 4. Okay, sorry, this will be n by 2 right here. This guy will be n by 2. Okay, this guy here will be n by 2, and this will be n by 4. Okay, so this is what you will go down to. I mean, it will continue till you reach a point where you are left with 2 point DFTs. So let me just draw the 2 point structure. 2 point structure, let's say this is P of k, which is a 2 point DFT, n equal to 0 to 1, P of n into wkn of n. So in reality, P of 0 looks like P of 0 plus P of 1, and this guy looks like P of 1 looks like P of 0. Okay, P of 0 plus P of 1 into W1 of 2, right? This is how it looks like. Yeah, into W1 of 2. Okay, So this in short is P of 0, W1 of 2 is minus P of 1. This is your actual. So if I write it in terms of the ones which we have got, right, P of 2k equal to P, capital P of 0, the odd point will be P of 0 plus P of 1. This is what you will get, okay, and P of 1 will be equal to P of 0 minus P of 1 into W0 of 2, right. So this is how this will be exactly same as this guy, right. So I can express this as a butterfly structure, which looks something like this, right. The butterfly structure for 2-point DFTs will be looking something like this here. So this guy here will be P of 0, this will be P of 1, okay, and this will be here. So let me just first take this guy. So this is your 2-point butterfly structure. Let me just draw it properly. Okay, so this is the second side of it. So now I can write this 2-point structure as P0 plus P1 goes to x of 0, okay, P0 minus 1 into P1, okay. I think I forgot the minus ones here. Let me just come back here like right now, into W0 of 2 gives me x of 1. Yeah, okay. So this is a 2-point butterfly structure, 2-point butterfly structure, okay. So here again I think I missed this. So x here, if you see, right, this 8-point structure, there is a minus 1 here, okay. So this is a minus 1, this is a minus 1, this is a minus 1, and this is a minus 1. So this minus 1 is because of this x of n, x of 0 minus x of 4 into W0 of 8. That's why it is, okay. So now let's draw a 4-point structure properly. Let's say I want to take a 4-point DFT of x of n, okay. So what you will have, the 4-point structure is, be looking, okay. So this is your 4-point structure, okay. So first thing is, you know that you have to add the n and n plus 2. So n by so n by 2 will be 4, will be 2, because n is 4, okay. So this is my x of 0, this is my x of 1, this is my x of 2, and this is my x of 3. This is in line, okay, in sequence. So now let me draw the structure. This goes to this particular point, this goes to this point, okay. This comes here, this comes here, okay. So now I know that, let me just, yeah. So this x of 0 plus x of 2 into 1 comes here, this plus this comes here, this minus this x of 0 minus x of 2 into W0 of 4 gives me this guy, x of 1 minus x of 3 gives me this guy into w1 of 4 gives me the I of k. This is my g of k's. This is my g of k's. Okay, right. Okay, and this is my yeah, so this is my I of k's. Okay, now this has to be further broken down, right? So this will have to be further broken down. So this one will be converted into a 2-point structures. This will be converted into a 2-point structure. The g of k's have to be further factorized into 2-point structures. So 2-point structure, I'll draw a 2-point structure here. So this is my 2-point structure here. This is my 2-point structure. Okay, so this is my 2-point structure here. This is my this is -1, and this guy here will be multiplied here, this guy will be here, this is -1. Okay, so what you get at this side is capital X of 0. This is out of order, right? This is capital X of 2, this is capital X of 1, and this is capital X of 3. This will have to be multiplied with w0 of 2, this will have to be multiplied with w0 of 2. Okay, so they come out of order. Okay, so now let's say if I have to calculate, this is 1, 1, 1 and 1. These are the values. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 1 will be 2, this will be 2 here, this is 1 minus 1 plus 1, this will be 2 again, this will be 2, 1 minus 1, this will be 0, into w0 of 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0, into w1 of 4 will be 0, 2 plus 2, this comes to 4, this will be 4, 2 minus 2 into w0 of 2 will be 0, 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. Okay, so this will be your output. So x of 0, this comes in out of place order, out of order, and this goes in order. Okay, so this is your 4-point DIF structure. DIF means this sequence goes out of order. Okay, clear?